Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how I painted my own galaxy with Infinite Painter. This is a super duper easy painting. If you are absolutely new to Infinite Painter or haven't painted with it before, you can obviously make one of these. I'm just using different sprayer brushes for this painting. I have chosen some really bright pinks, blues and purples. I've started painting with the cloud sprayer at first. I have also used the splatter and water splatter, and finally I painted the brightest spots with the flecks. For the splatters I have used the same colors as the backgrounds and also some white. I was kind of going back and forth with this one. After a while I realized that I have used too many splatters or spots here. Then I decided to dial it down and painted over the splatters again with the background colors. After that you will see me paint some more splatters again, but in some places, not everywhere. Then I just continued doing those two, adding the background color and adding the splatters in some places until I got the galaxy I desired. Most importantly, this painting is not all about the final look. I rather enjoyed the process a lot. It's relaxing to just play with the colors. So let me know what phase of this galaxy painting do you like the most? And if you have a galaxy of your own, then do share with me in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you are thinking about doing digital painting but you are too afraid or tensed about how would you do that, then you can definitely try this galaxy one. This is one of the easiest. Don't forget to subscribe and stay connected. I will see you on my next video.